Hello, everyone. It's good to see you here. My name is Audrey Lee, Regional Manager of Guangdong. Here are our QR codes, just in case if you need more information after this meeting. Our content of presentation today. We are Guangdong, the largest manufacturer of pharmaceutical packing machinery in Taiwan for 75 years. And that's why we will say we are the most professional one in packing industry. There are more than 30,000 sales machines from us in 70 countries of the world. We are an expert
Center, Jakarta. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you join this Taiwan Machinery Alliance online networking, where you can get connected to Taiwan's top machinery suppliers. And today, we would like to focus on packaging machinery. Taiwan's packaging machinery industry has 50 years of experience in the smart production. Comparing to other overseas brands and products which are produced on a large scale and a single type of production model, Taiwan Machinery adopts very smart machinery approach and tailored to each client's need, with clients located in more than 100 countries. We use a globalized perspective even when we are solving local problems. Through upgrades in smart packaging machines, we have positioned ourselves as a valuable player in the packaging machinery industry. For the next 30 minutes, we are going to present some of the Taiwan packaging machinery industry's key players. Please feel free to get connected to us by leaving comment and we can connect you to the cooperation between you and Taiwan potential business partners. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. It's good to see you here. My name is Audrey Lee, Regional Manager of Guangdong. Here are our QR codes, just in case if you need more information after this meeting. Our content of presentation today. We are Guangdong, the largest manufacturer of pharmaceutical packing machinery in Taiwan for 75 years. And that's why we will say we are the most professional one in packing industry. There are more than 30,000 sales machines from us in 70 countries of the world. We are an expert not only in customized, OEM, and ODM, but also Industry 4.0 technology of smart machinery. We will have more detail and description and video later. Our major equipment are capsule filling machine. This machine with tube filling system, which could filling powder or granule into the capsule. The blister packing line with rotary sealing system, which could keep fresh of your product no matter it's capsule or tablet 4 times longer with our different sealing system. Its name, rotary sealing system. Tablet and capsule counting and packing line with 4D detecting and 100% accuracy counting system. You may choose operating an individual machine, or we could combine other machines for you to become a production line. Here are our liquid filling line and cartooning labeling machines. We also have powder processing equipment and turnkey projects. The major clients of ours are pharmaceutical, nutrition, health supplement, biotech, natural food, and cosmetic. Now we would like to talk more about the ability of Guangdong. Guangdong is a parent company in multi-group. We have 8 companies in industry of packing equipment, electronic, including IC, IT, and programming, land develop, and construction. 3 of us are in listing. Guangdong is the expert of Industry 4.0 of smart packing machine and customizability because of not only 75 years experience, but also this background. As we knew the real-time monitoring and management technology, the SCADA system in IIoT is a common specification for Industry 4.0 of machine tool for now, but not so usual in packing machinery. Now we already have the most mature and stable technology of SCADA IIoT of smart machines. To help the management to monitor, control, analyze, and correction in real time by your cell phone, your tablet, your notebook, or PC. You will see the producing data, including the security, utilization rate, and the preventive maintenance reminder, and even abnormal vibrating of equipment on overview screen. It's our overview screen 1, overview screen 2. Here are our mass producing field. Our warehouse, we could provide spare parts on time because we have sufficient inventory. We have our R&D department and QC department to develop and quality control. For the customized requirement of OEM and ODM and the principle of constants, we have a complete CNC department. We have 6 CNC machines in our department to meet any requirement of OEM and ODM and ensure that we could provide decades of high precision specification of spare parts and machines. That's why our customer can believe in Guangda. We have attended many exhibitions all over the world, especially Interpack in Germany. We attend Interpack almost 12 times because COVID-19 this year. So we will see you in Interpack next year. Here are our certification of CE, ISO, and price of Dun and Bradstreet. We also could provide the material proof if customer requests. Here are our website and YouTube. You may call or email us if you need more information. Now we have a video to show the high capacity blister packing machine. This is a smart machine which is include the servo and SCADA system as we mentioned. You will see our feeding device, camera check for detect and reject, rotary sealing structure, and material collector and output. Thank you very much, and we are looking forward to see you soon. Video, please.
Hi, this is Bobby Wong from Marco Tech Labeling System. As the host say, we are founded in 1976. That is starting from very easy coding machine. Then we have more than 40 years experience in the labeling machine. We are one of the earliest labeling machine maker in Taiwan. And the good thing is we're still focusing on the labeling. That bring us have the most abundant customized solution. If you want any kind of labeling machine, no matter is a most easy standard type or more customized complicated type, you can come to us. By labeling machine, I'm self-adhesive. That's the sticker labeler. Like you can see on the right side, that's the traditional sticker. You can peel it and have a glue on the back. And also the left side is the raw feed OPP film. The business we are in are beverage, food, pharmacy, cosmetic, and consumable. The first video you see here is this one is a rotary raw feed OPP labeler. That's the one using the OPP film I'm talking about. That's the whole roll is like a plastic film, and it's cut on our machine and using hot melt glue to glue on the film and roll on it. The speed of this kind of machine can reach 300 to 600 bottles per minute. In the convenience store, if you see the mineral water or soda, like in this picture, mostly it's labeled by this kind of machine because the label is much cheaper than the traditional shrink sleeve. If you see some tea drink, they're still using the shrink sleeve, but their label is much more expensive than this kind of label. And this is the rotary sticker labeler, self-adhesive labeler. As you can see here, we got 3 labeling units, the yellow one. That's how they can put 3 labels on one bottle. You can see in the picture, there's a whiskey bottle, front label, and a back label, and a neck label. It's all in one. And in the center is also a rotary station. And the third part of the video is rice dumpling labeler like this one. We sell a lot to the food group or conglomerate, like the Uni President. They also run the 7-Eleven convenience store in Taiwan. They got almost 1,000 machines from us. And this is their rice dumpling making unit. And also the lunch box, like at the below, at the left. They all use our labeling machine. We're also in the pharmacy business. I don't know if people know the Taiwan biotech company, Chinese name is Xindong, or the Jisen. Many of the older Taiwan pharmaceutical companies, they also buy machine from us. And these two are the most simple model. We call it simple model. The right one is the simple top labeling machine. And the right one is label for the round bottle. Any standable round bottle can use this kind of machine. These two are the most simple unit. And this one is more complicated and integrated machine. They could not only label the bottle, the little glass bottle, the ampoule bottle, they also do the coding. On the above of the machine is a thermal transfer, the coding unit for the label, and also have 2 CCD checking camera to check the typing is okay or not, and also checking the label. Then underneath is a tray conveyor, so we can automatically put in the paper tray. So it's integrate all in one machine. In about this 10 years, we also do a lot of business in cosmetic. No matter it's a lipstick, a lip gloss you see in the center, or the right side is some multicolor eyeshadow or powder foundation lotions. And the right side, you can see like eyeliner, nail polish. Many of them, yeah. So this is, I think it's quite different than the packaging machine we think about, but we also do a lot of business in it. And we also do a lot in the consumable and the industrial product, as you can see in this photo. I'll give some thought as a conclusion. Automation is good, but sometimes it's very costly. Many customers, they will jump into the robotic hand to do the automation. In my opinion, that reliable industrial like us actually is more reliable and cost saving for the automation. And especially if you're comparing with a Europe or American maker, the Taiwan machine is a better cost performance ratio. Our machine is good, reliable, and also not cost very much. So I think not only us, but the company in this presentation, I think it's very trustworthy. You're a very best choice. And this is our contact information. Our sales lady, Elva, this is her email and WhatsApp. You feel free to contact us by this WhatsApp and email. And also you can check the QR code to see our website. There's also a lot of application on there. And just call us if you have any requirements that we can see in your case, which labeling machine is most suitable for you. Thank you.
Thanks, guys, and welcome to Benesen's online showroom. You can see what my location right now. This is the Benesen's online showroom. All the sample behind me came from our customers. Benesen has more than 10,000 customers worldwide. But we just show partly, very last part of the sample here. You can see behind me, not just only the sample, we also show some machinery products. Okay, and I'm going to give you a short introduction of the Benesen. Benesen is the specialist for the shrink packaging. We have 58 years old history. In Taiwan, Benesen have 250 workers, another 200 workers of overseas branch. And we also have the distributor located in more than 50 countries in the world. I mean, we can provide the service all over the world almost. In Taiwan, Benesen have the factories. First 1, 2, 3, we are making the film converting and the machinery. And the third one in Kaohsiung, especially just for the film producing. And we also set up the branch in China, Philippines, and Thailand. All of them now is doing well to have the service in the local market. This is the drawing to show you what is the Benesen's sales and the service net. All our distributors located all the 7 continental. We provide the service 24 hours everywhere. Okay, we are going to show you what Benesen have. This is the machinery product we call the shrink wrap. The shrink wrap can pack any kind of product, especially you can find it in the supermarket, hypermarket, and even some shop. Most of the product, I mean just the daily product, can be packed by our machine. And I'm going to show you some very popular and common model of the machine in the market. First one is the side sealer. The side sealer is higher speed, and the advantage of this machine is the higher speed, and you can pack any kind of product without limitation for the length. I mean, if we pack the product 10 centimeter, or 1 meter, or 2 meter, or 100 meter, up to you. The machine all can work. And it's compared to a sealer, it can have the 1-inch film saving. So this is a high efficient machine with a lower cost. So it is an advanced model than the Airbus sealer. What is Airbus sealer? Airbus sealer is this machine. All the guys, you can see what is the sample of a pack. This is the fresh food packaging in Taiwan. It's very popular, especially in the convenience store, 7-Eleven or Family Mart. This is the daily stuff for the Taiwanese people. And Airbus sealer is quite popular to pack such kind of products. But Airbus sealer, compared to the side sealer, like I say, is quite old technology, more than 40 years. I think the technology more than 40 years. So we developed an advanced model of a side sealer instead of. But the Airbus sealer is still popular in the market. This is the flow wrapper. People can see the sample of the product. It's very easy to find it in the supermarket, especially for the food packaging. And most of this kind of packaging came from the flow wrapper. We call the horizontal flow, high speed. Mostly is installed for massive production, can help the mass production quick and high efficient producing. This is called a strip type bundle wrapper. And it's also easy, can be found in the hypermarket, especially for the heavy products. You can have 1 dozen or 1 carton or 2x3, 2x2, such kind of multiple package. And especially for the heavy products like the 10 kg, 20 kg, You can work in the machine with a thicker PE film to pack the heavy products. Okay, we are going to another major item of a Benison we call the shrink sleeve applicator. The high-speed shrink sleeve applicator on Benison, we have many different models to match the different market requirements. The speed can be 100 to the maximum 600. Based on the customer requirements, and we have a different level machine to be provided. And people can see the sample bottle here. This is the packed by our machine with the steam tunnel, can have very, very good shrink quality, especially now in the market, people abroad the PVC. Most of people use the PET shrink label. PET shrink label is quite difficult property to work with the shrink bottle. So we developed some special technology. Doesn't matter about the steam or hot air, or we can work with the PET shrink label to have a good quality working. Okay, this this picture to show what we have. We have AI system, the smart machine working system. On the right corner of the picture, you can see the data. On our machine, we install features. People can link the machine to your cell phone or to your laptop. You can move your cell phone, laptop everywhere to control the working system inside your working house. Okay, and the data show you what machine working capacity, what is the troubleshooting, what is the defect, and what is the number for collection to help you modification and change your production with higher efficiency. This is the cartoning machine, $300 per minute. This is the max, most high-speed running machine in Taiwan. Benison is the only machine maker for this high-speed machine in Taiwan. So if you have the demand for this machine, you can contact Benison. We have a lot of experience to work it. This is standard cartoning machine. This speed is about 60. It's for the middle level market. Most of people can work it. I mean, 80% to 90% of the customer work with the middle level machine will be good enough. This is a vertical cartoning machine. Some product cannot be laid down to fill into horizontal position. So we developed a vertical one to help people. They can help the production. Okay, Benison have a 20 film extruder for the shrink film, and we move the shrink film to the Taoyuan plant for the convert print. Benison have a 6 rotogravia printing machine and 1 flexo printing machine, and a lot of the converting machine like the sliter, rewinder, and we all our workers, 300 workers, just give the try to stand by to give the best service for our customer with a high quality product. I'm going to show you one short video to the people what we have. And if you need any more information, you can contact me by the email or link to my website. And all you are welcome to contact us for further information. Please the video.
Hello everyone, this is Zhao from Machinery from Taiwan. I'm Mary, and today I'm going to give you a brief introduction of and why this is the best place for you to start. So we are actually professional manufacturer in Taiwan of vacuum packaging machine. We founded in 1983. We have clients all over the world, and we also take lots of OEM products, which we OEM for about 35 to 45 brands overseas. So for the OEM, it's not the only products we are going to produce. OEM products only takes about 30% to 40% of our total sales. The other 60% is actually selling under our own brand, New Diamondback. So today we are going to give you a little bit of knowledge of what kind of vacuum packaging solution you will be able to find if you are working with us. So with the vacuum massage tumbler machine is one of our popular machine, providing for especially meat industry. So this kind of machine is actually working for shortening the pickle time. For example, if you have any meat products you would like to mix with sauce, this is the best choice you will be able to get. And we also provide you a wide range of capacities from 150 liters until 4,000 liters. So it is suitable for even like a small scale of cafeteria until a big scale of enterprise and even meat industry. So with vacuum packaging solution, this is our main points. We are going to tell you a little bit about it. So we have different kind of types of vacuum packaging. So from the beginning, we actually introduce you with the chamber type of vacuum packaging machine. This kind of vacuum packaging machine is friendly design, so it's really easy for even beginner to start to use. The reason why people choose vacuum packaging is because they would like to maintain the products, especially food, the freshness, and also they would like to extend food shelf life. So for the clients who also have electronic parts, even the metal part, the reason why they choose vacuum packaging is they would like to prevent the rust and dampness. So with chamber type vacuum packaging machine, it's a really good choice for the clients who have a lower production and it is a beginner machine. So now we move to the clients who have a little bit higher production required. The automatic bell type vacuum packaging machine is actually built for the clients who would like to have lower operate demands, but they would require higher productions. So with each machine, it actually builds with touch screen, even like different kind of options. So in the slide, you will be able to see this kind of machine is also be able to use with the dead inkjet printer. So for the clients who would like to have the function of printing expiration date directly on the vacuum pack, this will be the best choice for them to consider. So of course, with the packaging solution, it's always not only just one type. What we introduced you before is only packing with pouch and bags. So now we are going to tell you a little bit more when you would like to move to a tray packed. Some of the products, because they would like to maintain the shape of the product itself, they will consider like if you pack with the bag, it will crush the shape of the product itself. So they will consider to use tray instead of bags. So this is the timing when tray sealer come in. Our tray sealer is actually with vacuum and gas flashing function. Even though you only want to have like a simple seal, you can also choose this type of machine. With this kind of machine, it also requires you to have some air supply as well. So it's more automatic design. But for this one, for no doubt, you will have the final product which has a really beautiful and clear appearance at the end. Packaging by tray, this is also one of the good choice for the clients. So for the thermoforming packaging machine, this is actually today our main topics. We would like to introduce you. This is the highest efficient vacuum packaging solution you will be able to get. With thermoforming packaging machine, it's different than the traditional one. With the traditional one, either you will need to prepare tray or you will need to prepare bags. But with the thermoforming packaging machine, it's actually you prepare a raw material, which we call film. It will form automatically on the machine, the bags, or even the tray you need. So the only way you are going to use this machine is the operator just need to load the products at the loading area. With this kind of machine, it's actually for a little bit more like a big industry. They would like to have an automatic line. So less operator, but with the output level, this is the highest you will be able to get in the vacuum packaging industry. So for this one, we also sell to more than 100 countries. With our experience, we are confident that the vacuum packaging solution, if you're working with us, you will be able to find the most suitable products. And with us, you don't need to worry about any the maintenance problem as well. We have more than 40 years experience working on this area. So today, this is the brief introduction we are going to give you about our products. If you are interested in a little bit more detailed information, since we don't really have lots of time to explain you today, you are welcome to visit our official website. You can see right on the slider, and even you can use with the QR code to check a little bit more detail, a little bit more photos, even the videos. Feel free to contact with us. Thank you.
Hi, thank you for joining us. I'm Daewei Chen. I'm the Marketing Deputy Manager at KYMC. You name it, we build it. You ask, we deliver. Today, we're going to share with you about KYMC's capability in customization and how your business can benefit from our customized solution. About KYMC. To begin with, I would like to share with you a little bit about KYMC. KYMC is a company that has been on the market for over 50 years. We are a wide web solution provider for the printing and packaging industry. Our production line includes central impression flexographic press, stack flexographic press, rotogravure, inline, which includes the preprint for the corrugated industry. We also have slitting and rewinding on the converting side, and we have a plate mounting machine. And in the recent years, we focus a lot also on the coating and the lamination product line, which includes solventless lamination, dry lamination, wet lamination, and also what we name it as inline coating station, which we will be talking about further later on in the slide. At KYMC, we focus on the things that matters to you the most. If you don't care about it, we don't waste our time on it. So what do we think our customer cares about? Our core value includes innovative customization, total solution, human-driven, and affordability. And today we're going to focus on the topic of customization. Okay, so why does customization matters to you? Why do you need it? Right? Why do you need customization? Well, because customers nowadays are demanding more and more. They're demanding shorter lead time, they're demanding cheaper price, better service, fast response, and all it has to come with a good quality. Wouldn't it be great if your customer tells you that, yes, we want a fast response rate, but we don't care about the quality? No, right? They want everything in one package. Let me share with you, and especially in today's, we are seeing a trend in shorter lead times. For instance, giving you an example, for those of you that are familiar with Amazon, before Amazon, they do a 2-day delivery, and now they are doing the next day delivery. Why? Because customer wants it fast. They want it now. And therefore, as a supplier, we need to be efficient in our operations in order to fulfill the customer's need. Okay, customized press. KYMC is able to provide a customized press for you. In the above photo, it's a press that has integrated 3 different functions into it: flexographic printing, hot melt coating, and slitting. In the bottom photo, it integrated 2 different functionality that includes flexo printing and hot melt coating. These kind of integrated customized press is suitable for a standardized process. And we are getting a lot of requests, orders from the fast food industry in North American region. These kind of integrated presses is beneficial in a way that it reduces waste, reduces labor, and it reduces time. Okay, another customized capability of KYMC is in our data. Okay, customized I/O, have the data input and output the way you want it. There's so many data out there, right? But you only want the relevant data to you to be shown at your machine. And KYMC does just that. I believe the slide is going to be shared with you later on, so I'm not going to go into the details. But basically, on this screen is showing that our machine is able to provide data such as job numbers, row printed, job description, print repeat, plate number, and color use. Okay, this screen is actually, I'd say it's good for the managers, but it's not that great for the operators because all their production data are being graphed out on the screen, so the managers can see very clearly what their production efficiency are. So in the screen, you can see that the night shift operation, the day shift operation have been graphed out, and along with other information, including rows printed, ideals print speed, total feed being printed. And this is a screen of a detailed job description. So for instance, the job detail, the burner temperature that should be set at, the analog spec, the tension that should be set up at, the ink viscosity that should be used at each station. Okay, lastly, customized planning. I'm showing you here a case study of one of our existing customers, Chinli Plus. Chinli Plus is a public traded company in Malaysia. And the issue that they are facing at that time was that their customers, so these brands, they are demanding them to provide a more environmentally friendly solution. At the same time, Chinli Plus would also like to expand their production line to be able to take on materials such as LDPE. So they came to KYMC. They told us that we are currently using the rotography process, and we believe the flexo printing process can help us achieve what we want. But there's one problem, that is, we don't know anything about flexographic. So please, can you help us? So KYMC started the project with Cine Plus. We gave them extensive training on the machine components, the technical printing operations, experience sharing. We even went to their factory to give them advisory on how to set up their factory for the flexographic operations. We even advised them on what kind of operators they should search for this kind of flexographic printing. And we gave them a recommendation on parts suppliers. And the result was great. The feedback that we got back from them was that they were able to get a cost saving of 35% on the flexographic press when compared to the old photography process. And of course, their production line is now being expanded, and therefore an increase of customer base and an increase of revenue. And they are able to achieve this all within 1 year. Okay, and that's it for today. This is all we have from KYMC. And if you are interested in our product, or if you have any questions for us, feel free to shoot us an email and we'll get back to you. Thank you.
Thank you all for attending Taiwan Machinery Alliance online networking. If you have any further inquiry regarding today's presentation or need to get more Taiwan machinery information, please do not hesitate to contact our office. Thank you all for attending this seminar. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay connected, everyone. Thank you all for joining us.